Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do reading for the day and see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. So let's see what do the cards have here for the day. Please help me with the energies for the day. Okay, all right. So here, there is a situation where you might feel overwhelmed or not able to create balance between two things. Like for you, it's like this is also important. I have to take care of this also, and everything is of equal importance. And you're somewhere juggling between what you need to prioritize. Also, for some of you, I also see that this is like trying to create balance between your emotional well-being, your physical well-being, your mental well-being, and your finances, everything all together, right? Taking care of your health, and it's like there is some kind of overthinking happening because there is so much that you have to take care of. It can be so many responsibilities you are having, but at the same time it's causing you emotional stress, like you are not feeling emotionally calm and stable, and because of that there is a bit of anxiety also is what I'm seeing here. So what you have to do is you need to take a pause and list out what is that you need to take care of, what is in your control and what is not, and release what is not in your hands and surrender to the universe, and rather try to prioritize things, focus on one thing at a time and close things with a proper plan and strategy. Okay, so don't be in this loop, don't juggle, okay, too much. So because this overthinking will add up more anxiety thing. Okay, so that's the energy for the day guys. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.